Namaste all of you. Today I am making instant chili pickle. For that I am using fresh green chilies. In spices I am using 2 spoons of cumin seeds, zira, 3 spoons of coriander seeds, dhania, half spoon fenugreek seeds, methi, 2 spoons of mustard seeds, sarso, 2 spoons of ajwain, and I am using mustard oil and salt. So first we have to wash the chilies and make it dry. I am using whole chili, like I am not throwing this upper portion also. So first we have to cut the chilies like this. You can see here you have to cut all the chilies like this. Then I am going to roast all these spices. Now I am going to roast all these spices for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am going to heat the oil. So you can see the oil is also ready for the pickle, but before using we have to make it cool down completely. Now I am going to grind the spices. So after grinding, masala will look like this. Now I am going to add salt, now I am using the oil. We should not use use very hot oil. After bringing it into room temperature, then only we can use the oil. Now I am adding the oil with the masala. Masala is ready. Now I am going to fill this in chilies. This way you have to fill all the chilies with the masalas, means all the masalas you have to fill in chilies, then it will look like this. So this oil I am going to use after putting this pickle in jar. If you want, you can spread little lemon juice over it. So my instant chili pickle is ready, friends. Hope you all will like my chili pickle. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Thank you.